How to change stream title on Kick. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to change your stream title. Now, first things first, you're going to have to click on your profile over here. This is our profile on the top right. And you're simply going to click on Creator Dashboard. After that, you will be redirected to this dashboard over here. As you can see, we are currently selected on stream. So make sure you are selecting this. And after that, you're going to have to open your channel tool. To be able to access your channel tools, you're going to have to click this icon over here. And there we go. Then you're simply going to click on Edit Stream Info. Then as you can see, you have your title over here. You're simply going to edit the title here. And then after that, you can now save this. And you will be able to change your stream title. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.